YouTubers. Well, it's been a while. Man, if you look over my shoulder, I still haven't even broken ground on my friggin' house. I found out car repairs. 2003 Tundra, as always, my ride. And what's going on here is I've got to replace the big serpentine or drive belt, whatever you want to call it, in the front of the motor. It's a real simple fix. The part number, you can just read it right off there. What is it? 5060905. Of course, if you go to AutoZone or Advanced Auto, one of them, they'll just look it up in the computer and you're golden. Okay, let me see if I can get it off in one try. Basically, you take your 14 millimeter, I'm using a breaker bar here, but you put it on your tensioning pulley. My engine's still a little hot. Man, is 14 the right size? Now you could probably pull the fan shroud off or all kinds of other crap. Yeah, 14's the size. Ow. And if I can't get the right angle leverage with this, I will swap to the, there we go. Oh. Now that's not right. It should have just moved, not unbolted. What's going on here? It should not be unbolting. Okay, for some reason I thought this pulley right here was the tensioner. It's not. It appears when I yank on the belt, the tensioner is the pulley down in there. You can't really see it, but that's the one that moved. I'm gonna put a socket on it, turn it counterclockwise, and hopefully that'll give me enough room to get the belt off. Squeak past the friggin' hose, and there it is. See? Once you pull on the right friggin' thing, it comes right apart. It's when you're being stupid like me that it doesn't work. Okay, that was real simple. It just pops right open, and you really can't see much, but I'm just going to now unsnake it from its hose pattern. Now, let's look at the belt. Let's look at the belt, shall we? Now this belt's got 80,000 miles on it. And truthfully, it feels in pretty damn good shape. There's no cracking. There's no missing sections. Hell, there's nothing wrong with this bad boy. Really. Alright, you can't see me. I'm going to back it up here. Let's see. The next part of this job is to reroute the new belt. And most cars have a belt routing diagram to give you instructions. If not, you better make one yourself. Son of a bitch, I did it. Took about a half a dozen tries. The last time I did it, snaked on, snaked off, 5 minutes. This time, bloodied my friggin' arm trying to stuff it in there to snake it around. It wouldn't stay on the little damn spots. It was being a bitch. Okay, so let's look at what we got. Let me get myself set up here. Got the camera in one hand, camera in the other. Okay, so there is the one of the pulleys. Now the lower pulley down there, I don't know if you can really see it. Yeah, that lower pulley was a bitch. The shiniest part of the light's on it right now. That one was really hard, because it kept popping off when I tried to put on the tensioner. Same with that bitch wheel right under there. Okay, see, this one was easy, but there's one under the fan belt, because all this shit wraps over the top of it. Nothing goes around it. But I got it on, and I'm going to crank it up right now and see what happens. I've just started that bad boy up, and this thing was a real bitch to put on. But it seems to be running smooth, doing nice. A good clean installation. Okay, that's done. Fuel filter is next on the list.